This is my 99 Jeep Wrangler, and I replaced the two hinges on the back of the car with some cheap Amazon. It cost me like $60. But the reason was that because the latches that were here, the hinges, they're all worn out and stuff like that. And I was watching some YouTube channels. You see how loose it is? And this is much in better condition. And some of them YouTube channels, they talk about replacing the pins here. And I just didn't want to go through that headache. I just replaced both of them. Anyway, the story is that a lot of them, they say that you have to drill. All the bolts were rusted in the inside. And I tried all different methods with knocking them and this and that. Nothing works. You just have to drill it halfway, like half an inch in. And what's gonna happen is here on the right hand side you have like a piece of metal, strip of metal with two nuts welded, which is easy to get in. It's behind the carpet. You can take it, it falls off. And here it falls from the bottom. You can see some shavings right here on the there it is, you see? So what's happening is you take a little drill, you drill like half an inch in, and then you slightly go bigger until the head falls off. When the head falls off, that's what's inside. Okay? The bracket with those remaining screws falls off, the top and the bottom, and you can take one of the torches and just anneal it and take a vice grips, go left and right, and it comes out. This is the same story. You drill it and it comes out, and then you take a vice grips and you turn it left, it comes out. It's not so difficult. It's actually it's easy. It's not so hard. Military helicopters. Going back to my car, so that was easy to install. This one, I had one of those swing arms here, and I had to cut a piece. So I took my grinder, I cut off the piece, and I painted it. It's fine now. Here there was a lot of oxidation taking place. You can see that on here and on here. So what I did was I took my steel brush, and went and cleaned it, and then I took some grease. I applied grease here and here, and that was it. Now my other problem was that there's a swing arm. I had to cut a notch here in the metal here on the bottom. Now another problem is that this knot that's holding the cap, it was too high, so I had to grind it very low. Take a look. Now what's happening is when you open the swing arm, it goes all the way out. It goes over the screw head. And that's it. And stabilizes this thing so it doesn't move. And now I have a table that's before you couldn't close the door. Now you close the door. Anyway, the whole project takes about maybe 2-3 hours the most. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Hope to make more videos. Okay, bye.